Okay, so today we are doing a Pizza Domino with the Dot magazine, and our first stop is Lamie Pizza in Taoyuan. So I'm like kind of a classic girl where I like to do cheese because I'm like, I feel like if you build from cheese, you can see how good the pizza is. Like, you know, like in its most basic form.
Yeah, you're right.
How good is it?
You're right.
I have had the Four Bros cheese, excellent. What do you recommend?
The Italian sausage.
I would try that.
Wait for the drums.
Ta-da!
I'm gonna go for the crunchy side first. Okay. I like how fluffy it is and how like spicy the sausage is. Oh, look at that crisp. I went for the wrong slice. That is the...
Yeah, that's those who love the Detroit, they always take the corner.
legit pizza. If you're not eating your pizza,
Yeah.
what pizza are you eating? Where should we go eat next?
You should try Tran Pizza in District 1. Nice area, and it's pretty little store, little guy making pizza. Dope pizza.
Nice. Let's go. So based off the recommendations from Lamie, we are at Tran Pizza. I don't know, I want to try anything, like your favorite pizza tonight. You recommend them, I'll eat them.
Right.
I feel like the crust is just like, it's like a cloud of dough. It's just so nice. So this is the marinara, so it has, it's like tomato sauce and garlic and basil. I mean, what more do you need? It feels romantic. Like this pizza feels romantic, you know? Oh! What the? Whoa! That is... I have never seen pizza like this one. Do I want it on this pizza as much? I'm like, maybe not. The thing is, like, the creaminess. I saw him putting it down. I was like, I wonder if it's going to be too creamy for me, but it's like super savory. And the bacon on it's so nice, and the yolk. Pesto, we love you.
Yes.
We are trying to find great pizza. So if you weren't eating your pizza, where would you recommend us?
Right, so I just go for Terraviva.
Terraviva.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's more like Italian restaurant, but worth the shot.
Sure. Oh wait, hold on, I have to ask you. If you're getting a pizza at Terraviva, what topping, what would you
I
recommend?
suppose you know.
Classic.
Classic.
Hugh from Tran Pizza recommended to us Terraviva, so we are at their D1 location. Let's eat some pizza. Okay, so can you tell us a little bit about Terraviva?
Yes, so terra is earth, the earth, and viva is alive, the life, the praise of life.
Yeah.
So yeah, the whole concept of Terraviva is good products of quality, and we also try to do some initiatives such as recycling and etc. So
we were told by Tran that we should get a classic pizza, so we're gonna go margarita.
okay, perfect.
And then I'm a big believer that you need to get a dish that is named after the restaurant.
Oh, okay.
So I think we need to do a Terraviva pizza as well.
Let's go.
So let's get both.
One Terraviva, one margherita.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you.
That's good. This one, you can really taste the difference in like the cheese. Like it's saucy, but I can really taste like the cheese is like the first thing that you're tasting. I'm very curious about this Terraviva pizza because, I mean, like literally, it is completely covered in ham. It's very cured and it's very salty. So this is like a big flavor pizza. Even though it doesn't look, this is an indulgent, savory pizza. I love that you brought me to get pizza. You couldn't get me to eat something that was like more graceful. My question to you is, what pizza do you love? If you're not eating Terraviva pizza.
So I suggest you to go to District 7. There is one pizza shop, it's called a Margherita, and they have a different style of pizza. It's like a Napoli pizza.
Okay, so if I go there, what should I order?
Of course, start with a Margherita, because of course everything starts from there. And they have a different special too, so you can try, but start from Margherita. It's different style and you will appreciate that.
Great, yeah, okay, great, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Can't wait.